If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing PUBG, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve stability. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Update your game. Make sure that your PUBG game is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs and improve performance. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates. Step 2. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to crashes. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or damaged files and replace them automatically. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering your graphics settings can help reduce the strain on your system. Go into the game settings and adjust the graphics to a lower preset. This can improve performance and reduce the likelihood of crashes. Step 4. Update drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause compatibility issues. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your system. Install the updates and restart your computer. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for PUBG. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components or playing on a lower resolution to enhance stability. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve crashing issues in PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.